Yo, my name is Eric, and in this video I'll show you how to connect Cevoid to your Voyado account and how to use the integration to the fullest. With the Voyado integration, you're able to sync member data from Cevoid to Voyado. At the moment we support Instagram handle and the role. You can also select if you want to create a contact for members that don't exist in Voyado yet. With this integration, you can also send interactions to Voyado from Cevoid based on interactions that members have done. All this data can then be used to segment customers for your newsletters and communication events. You can also set up triggers. An example of that would be when a new challenge is available in Cevoid. You could then connect this trigger to an email that is sent out with the information regarding the challenge. In the next steps, we'll look at how you connect your account to Cevoid, how to set up triggers, sync member data, and how to build email widgets. To create an API key in Voyado, go to Administration, Configure Engage. Next, click on Integration and External System, and then press API Connection. Scroll down and press Add Connection. Enter in Other, set the name to Cevoid, and set the type to Other. Enter VAS into Other type. Press Save, and you've now created your API key that you can copy and paste into the input in Cevoid. To create a trigger for events in Cevoid, go to Administration, press Configure Engage. Next, press Integrations and External System, and then Custom Triggers. Press Create New Custom Trigger. For the name, you enter in Cevoid Challenge Available. Specify a similar ID, Cevoid Challenge Available. Enter in a suitable description for what this event trigger describes. Press Next. Now, add the different fields that you want to make available in your email templates for when this trigger is activated. Press Save, and you've now created your custom trigger. To set up contact attributes, go to Administration, press Configure Engage, and then press Configure on the contact attributes. Scroll down to the bottom where you find the Add Attributes button. Press it and enter in the attributes you want to sync. Enter in Instagram handle as the name, Cevoid Instagram handle as ID, and set the type to string. Make sure that it's segmentable and allow in personalization. Then press Save. You can now repeat this process for any other field you want to sync to Voyado. For example, the Cevoid role. Enter in Cevoid role as ID and choose string as the type. Done. Let's create an email widget specifically for Voyado. When you've connected your account, you'll see two new types in the email dropdown. Let's create a dynamic widget to start off with. Here, you'll see a preview of how your widget will look and the different settings you can do. Keep in mind that most of the styling is done in Voyado. Under the Content tab, you can select if you want to add static content or dynamic content to your email. Static content never changes, and dynamic content updates as soon as new content comes into Cevoid. Here I'll add a filter for a specific creator. If we go to the overview, we'll now see that 4 of these posts will be visible in the email widget. I can also add some static content to this widget by going to my library and selecting specific posts I want to include. We then go to the All Content section. We can now drag different content into the slots we want to pin them. You can also pin specific posts into specific positions by clicking the 3 dots. You can select which sorting order the post should have. Save changes and your email widget is now done. To add this to Voyado, press the Embed Widget button and follow the instructions on how to embed it into your email.